Hey guys, Sean here, going to explain to you how to answer this question correctly. So our passage begins with this independent clause: ice cores provide scientists with valuable information about the history of Earth's climate and environmental conditions, such as. Okay, so my independent clause here is just the ice cores provide, and then after such as, we see these examples of valuable information about the history of Earth's climate and environmental conditions. So that tells me there's nothing grammatically wrong with alpha. But when I look further, just for answer choices Bravo and Charlie, I see this colon. I've mentioned this in other videos, but the phrase such as or the word including, I don't want to pair them with a colon because it's redundant. I can have a list after a colon or after including, but not both. Same thing goes with such as. So that's why I can eliminate B and C. Now, delta, the only difference between answer choice delta and alpha is there's no comma before such as. So all that means is this. All I got to determine now is I got to find out if this phrase, whether or not it's essential or non-essential. All that means is, does this part, this pink underlined part, does this change or influence the meaning of the independent clause here? Okay, if it does change the meaning, then it's essential. If it does not change the meaning, then it's non-essential. Now, just because it adds more detail, that doesn't mean it influences or changes the meaning of this sentence, okay? So when you look at it, the changes in the ratio of oxygen isotopes, shifts in the composition of the atmosphere, and records of ash and other debris from volcanic eruptions, these are just kinds of examples of the kinds of information that tell you about the history of Earth's climate and environmental conditions. So because it's just giving these examples, it doesn't change the meaning of the opening independent clause. That's why this is non-essential. And that's why the answer has to be alpha. Got it?